Hello and welcome. Start. At first open your Binance. Now make sure you have Pro version, means Binance Lite. If you set Binance Lite, you see this dashboard, this view. So we need easy way Binance Pro. So make sure you will select Binance Pro. I have already set my shortcut convert. You will can set this shortcut, or you can find out, press more, click more, then scroll down, then this trade under convert, click convert. So I have already coin, but at this moment I couldn't find it, so I will go another way. So click wallet. I have ALGO 8.66 token. So this is my spot. So my ALGO is spot fund. So at first you need to transfer spot to fund, then I will convert. So click transfer. See this pop-up, spot wallet to fund, ALGO. I transfer my full amount, confirm transfer. Transfer successful. See, click funding. So this is my ALGO funding. So now I will convert this funding ALGO to USDT. Press convert. See my ALGO. This ALGO is showing. So max ALGO, then convert USDT. I will receive 2.54 USDT. This price list will automatically set your current price and see a value pop up, ALGO 1 ALGO equal 0.29. So this is all time update your current market price. So confirm trade, confirm. See, successfully convert ALGO or however any token. Successfully I converted ALGO token to USDT. See my USDT. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, you can like, comments and subscribe my channel.